All right, here's your May 21st math review corrections video. We have 9,595 minus 5,128. I already see in the ones place we can't do 5 minus 8 as 5 is smaller. So regroup, we now have 8 tens. Bring over, so we have 10 ones and 5 ones is 15 minus 8 is 7. 8 minus 2 is 6, 5 minus 1 is 4, and 9 minus 5 is 4. So your final answer should be 4,467. 1 star for the answer, 1 star for showing your regrouping. Next we have division. Today we have 8 times what gets us close to 71. This one had a little trick. 8 times 8 fell on the floor, picked it up, and it was 64. Let's try 8 times 9 just to make sure. So 8 times 9 is 72, too large, so we have to stick with 8 times 8. And then we have 6 times what gets us close to 40. I know from math review yesterday we did 6 times 7 is 42, so we'll have to go down one. 6 times 6 is 36. And then we have 3 times what gets us close to 23. 3 times 5 is 15. I started off with an easy number I know how to multiply by, but I think we can get closer. 3 times 6 is 18, 3 times 7 is 21, and 3 times 8 is 24. So it has to be 3 times 7. 1 star for each that you got correct. That's up to 3 stars. This week, we changed out area model for multiples. Multiples means you're skip counting by a number. So we're going to skip count by tens and by sevens. So if you skip count by tens, you say 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and 60. And if you skip count by sevens, you say 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42. You can earn 2 stars, 1 for the sevens, 1 for the tens. If you made a mistake, no problem. Fix it right now before you move on. And then we have our word problem for the day. We have Rachel, who made $12, and her sister, who made $2. How many times more did Rachel make than her sister? So we can say, if her sister made 2, how many times more does it take to get us to 12? Or you could say Rachel made 12, which is 2 times as great as what? 2 times 6 is 12. So Rachel made 6 times as much money. Give yourself a star for the answer of 6 and for a complete sentence. That's 2 total stars. Now we're going to count up the stars that we earned today. Go ahead and draw yourself a fraction bar at the top of your page. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is your denominator. You count up how many stars you earned on top. Great job. See you tomorrow.